The FlexTube allows you to easily pivot and move your backpack blower's air tube. The flexible plastic tube is attached between the elbow and the swivel tube. Over time, the tube can crack or have a hole rubbed through it, causing air to leak. Replacing the FlexTube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the clamps that secure the FlexTube to the pivot tube and the elbow. With the clamps loosened, I can pull the tube away from the elbow and from the pivot tube. And now remove the clamps from the FlexTube. Now I can install the new FlexTube. First, I'll reinstall the clamps. And now I'll install the FlexTube onto the elbow and the pivot tube. And I'll finish by tightening up the clamps. And that's how easy it is to replace the FlexTube on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.